Hey, what's up guys, Mr. Unboxer 103 with another great unboxing video for you. This is the new iPhone 5, which is a great device, which I have is the 32GB version. So the specification of the new iPhone 5 is that it's very slim and light from the previous generation's iPhones, and it has an 4-inch widescreen Retina display, has up to 1136 by 640 pixel resolution and an 8 megapixel iSight camera rear and 1.2 720p HD camera in the front. The battery life of the iPhone 5 is 8 hours on 3G, 8 hours on LTE, and up to 10 hours on Wi-Fi. In the side of the iPhone we've got is the volume rockers and the silent button. In the back we've got is the glossy finish of the iPhone, which is really impressive for the white version. So let's put it in the side for now and see what we get inside the box. We've got the documentations, instruction manuals. We've got a pin just to insert your new Nano Slim card, and we've got is the hello instruction manual, which tells you how to run your iPhone 5 in Japanese and in English. So yeah, that's really impressive. And we've got is the nice Apple stickers, which is impressive in every Apple product. We've got is the USB adapter UK version, and we've got the Apple AirPods with remote mic, which in my opinion delivers great amount of sound, and it comes with this nice Apple case. So the sound of the AirPods is just amazing, just to fit your ear canals. And yeah, we've got the mic just to answer calls and end up calls. And we've got the new Lightning to USB cable as a connector for syncing and charging to the Apple USB power adapter, just to sync in your music files and everything you want to sync, and just for charging your iPhone itself. So the iPhone 5 is just great. We've got the volume rockers, as I said, and the silent button. In the back we've got in the front we've got is the front FaceTime 720p HD camera in the front. In the back we've got this glossy finish, as I said, with this nice Apple logo, and we've got is the 8 megapixel with the flash camera. We've got is the turn it on and off sleep button, home button, and down we've got is the 3.5mm stereo headphones, Mi jack, and a USB Lightning connector and 2 built-in speakers. So I have turned on my iPhone last time. This is my second time, just to put my accounts and just to charge my iPhone because it's shipped with no charging, and just to set up the date and time. So yeah, it's let's wait till it's open. So the iPhone 5 is really fast, and we've got is the similar iPhone 5 menu, but it has a new row, 5 rows now, from the previous generation's iPhones that has 4 rows. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for my next unboxing video, and please favor, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.